Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. Today I have the Carbon Express Atlatl kit. This is a fun little kit based off of an ancient weapon. The Atlatl, for those not familiar, predates the bow. This is what was used for hunting before we had the bow and arrow. Just a really neat primitive weapon with a new take with modern material. The thrower, which has a needle point here, long curl, I mean, it's just science for it, for whipping the dart. And we're going to show a little bit of that. Made out of modern materials, so it's incredibly tough and durable. I don't have to worry about it breaking, snapping, splintering, any of those things. And the dart is carbon fiber, so those that shoot carbon arrows, you know, similarity there to it. You know it's going to be incredibly durable. It's always going to be straight, otherwise it's broke. It slides together, just a friction fit. 3 pieces, break down about the size of the handle for easy storage. And there's a bit of Velcro on the back, which works with the beginner keeping it on the thrower with the Velcro here, so that, you know, helps it keep in place until you get used to using it. Then you can take it off if you want to keep it on. It has a heavyweight brass insert and a regular screw-in point. Nice thing with the screw-in point, you can change it out for different weights or different points, like broadheads. If it's legal in your area and you become skilled with this, being able to put it where it needs to go, you can hunt with it. It's a lot of fun. We're gonna do a little bit of throwing here. We got our target. The dart is 6 feet overall. There's an indent on the nock end where you put it so it sits on the thrower just like that. We got real turkey feathers here. So those that know how to take care of those, if they get ruffled or whatnot, a little bit of hot steam will bring them right back out. And I am no expert at throwing at it, but like a lot of people that get this, you're gonna have a blast throwing it. So let's see what we can do. I hit it. All right, let's do a few more here, just see how good we can be. And a lot of it's in the wrist is how I'm doing it, but like I said, no expert on this. Ask me about bows. But we have books and DVDs on how to throw the Atlatl, how to build your own. We even have wood Atlatls for those that want to go true primitive style with it. But the nice thing with this one is for those who just want to have fun with it, you can buy the dart and the Atlatl thrower together, and then you can buy 2 packs of darts to go with it. Breaks down, you can store it, put it anywhere you want, bring it out during the summer, have fun with it. Complements very well with stump shooting. And just a new challenge is the biggest thing to think of it. Okay, we're gonna try a distance throw here. Just seeing how far I can throw it. Okay, the big tall tree in the middle, that's what we're aiming for. All right. Short. One more throw here. Let's see if we can do her. And that is how it's done. You can get the Carbon Express Atlatl kit and dart packs from us. We'll have a link in the description. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have some comments or questions, please comment below. And if you truly enjoyed it and want your friends to see it, share it so others can enjoy this. I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery.